Number 10. TASER 10. The TASER 10. The maker presented it earlier this year under the motto, "Every second counts," with the goal of reducing gun-related deaths between police and the general public by 50 in 10 years. The TASER 10 comes with 10 charges, allowing police enforcement to immobilize suspects from up to 14 meters away. These charges accelerate to 62 meters per second. Furthermore, additional applications have been developed to improve its usefulness. TASERs, for example, are VR compatible and provide critical data for cloud-based reporting. A smart holster has also been introduced. When a police officer draws their taser, the cameras immediately activate to record video evidence. Number 9. TOPS Knives Mini Sling. In 2017, this self-defense weapon was released. TOPS Knives created it in response to customer demands for a smaller, more compact version of their popular slingshot. The finished product is small enough to fit in the pocket of your jean or the side pockets of your backpack. It comes with a leather sheath, making it very easy to transport. The device measures 2.54 centimeters broad by 8.89 centimeters long. While the slingshot itself measures 3.2 centimeters in length, the fork gap measures 2.5 centimeters in breadth. The slingshot weighs 37 grams, while the sheath is 90 grams. The device is constructed of structural steel and has a black powder finish. The handle is made of micarta, a robust, durable mixture of epoxy resin and natural cloth. Despite its little size, the TOPS Knives micro sling has a significant impact. This device costs $100. Number 8. BYRNA HD. The tagline of this weapon is "Not in vain, save lives without the chance of taking one." Because the BYRNA HD is another stun gun that is both effective and non-lethal. HD stands for home defense, but the weapon is small enough to carry with you wherever. The BYRNA HD is 20 to 48 smaller than comparable stun guns from competitors. It measures 18.5 centimeters in length and 14.3 centimeters in height. The device weighs 590 grams, which is between 22 and 27% less than the competitors. As ammo, 3 types of 68 caliber bullets are available. Chemical irritant that is either kinetic or inert. They are ejected with pressurized air in either instance, allowing the threat to be neutralized from up to 18 meters away. The basic kit will set you back $325, with an additional $34 for the version with a case and ammunition pack. Number 7. OOTDTY AK-47. Contrary to popular belief, a pocket knife is more than just a tool for self-defense. It can also be a fashionable and uncommon accessory. The OOTDTY AK-47, for example, has the appearance of a firearm. Its handle is nearly identical to the shape of the Alaska 47 stock, and the connecting component has a ring similar to the frame around the trigger. The built-in illumination improves convenience. The knife's total length is 15.4 centimeters. The blade is 6.5 centimeters long, and the handle is 8.9 centimeters long. The blade thickness is 1.7 millimeters. The knife is constructed of 5 CR13 stainless steel. The handle is finished in natural wood and costs approximately $8. Number 6. M48 Sword Cane. Sword Cane M48. The key advantage of this technology is that it is unobtrusive. The M48 appears to be a regular cane, and its appearance will not surprise anyone. However, a deeper examination reveals that it is more than that. The M48 provides its possessor with various options for self-defense. The sharp hammer on the 2 CR13 cast stainless steel handle covered with a black oxide layer can deliver a stunning blow. A 43 centimeter long deadly blade is concealed within the cane. The grip is constructed of robust anti-slip nylon fiber, which is also coated on the cane shaft, and is made of SK5 carbon steel that has been black coated. The overall length is 94 centimeters and the price is $181. Number 5. Monkey Fist. This gadget was named after an ornate rope knot used in sailing called as a monkey fist. It has nothing to do with seamanship, however. The structure is made of tightly woven paracord with a metal ball buried inside. Despite its modest design, the monkey fist is incredibly effective in critical situations. You can strap it to the palm of your hand and then unleash a crushing and terrible blow. A variety of brands sell self-defense products of this type. As a result, their size and weight may differ slightly. For example, there is a 17mm metal ball inside the gadget from United Cutlery. If you want to construct a similar monkey fist on your own by tying a paracord suitably, the device may also be used as a desk toy or an anti-stress toy suited for executing a number of acts. Its starting price is $7. Number 4. Bison Gear's KIRIDASHI. The traditional Japanese KIRIDASHI knife served as inspiration for this invention. However, experts from the American company Bison Gears entirely revamped it to make the knife more user-friendly. The final dimensions are impressive: 5 mm thick, 35 mm wide, and 60 mm long, weighing only 4.25 grams. The blade is manufactured of HCR13 mauve stainless steel and is razor sharp. It is capable of cutting paper, scotch tape, and even paracord. There is a handy finger ring that can be used to hang the knife or make it into a keychain. The device comes with a credit card-sized sheath. The pricing starts at $24, so you can comfortably carry it with you. Number 3. CRKT Williams Defense Key. A retired Army officer and martial arts instructor created the device. As a result, it is a highly intricate and effective form of self-defense. The device is disguised as a key and may be attached to any keychain. In a risky circumstance, hold the tactical key between your fingers and use it as a sharp, dangerous weapon capable of inflicting major arm damage on the assailant. A firm ergonomic grip keeps the key from slipping out of your grasp. The key's end can also be used as a Phillips screwdriver. The blade measures 45 mm in length and is made of 3CR13 stainless steel. The blade is 3 mm thick and 90 mm long overall. The grip is composed of glass-reinforced nylon, weighs less than 32 grams, and costs $11. Number 2. Spiked TONFA. To add a bit of exoticism to our collection, let's investigate a strange weapon with the unique name of TONFA. While its specific origin is a source of contention, China is frequently mentioned, although Indonesia and Japan are also suggested. TONFA's prototype can be traced back to the handle of a rice mill stone, although resembling modern police batons in design. However, some people want more than what the standard model can provide. As a result, spiking variants were introduced. These about 6 cm long spikes can be detached if necessary. Made of 6000 series aluminum alloy, the spiked TONFA is around 56 centimeters long and weighs approximately 900 grams. These TONFAs are handcrafted in the United States, which likely adds to their high price of roughly $240. Number 1. The Manticuda VFK Knife. The Manticuda VFK knife from Hardpoint was designed for self-defense and weapon retention. The company spent 7 years testing the design's performance, focusing primarily on the needs of arm carriers. The serrated blades of the razor-sharp Manticuda VFK add angles that ordinary knives do not have. The wide form of the blade, which instantly disables assailants with large wounds, is the most aggressive aspect. This product's safety is also critical. The handle is designed with saber grips, hammer grips, and guard pinch standards to allow users to use the piece with caution. The heavy-duty nylon sheath technology also allows the cutter to be attached at a number of angles, which is useful for individuals who need to carry the cutter discreetly.